It's a space mission 25 years in the making. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, the largest and most powerful space observatory ever built, is one for the history books. As successor to the celebrated Hubble mission, scientists say the technology aboard the spacecraft promises answers to questions we haven't even thought yet of asking.
In my dreams and my hopes, seeing signatures in planetary atmospheres away from our solar system that could hint to the presence of life would be one of the most important discoveries ever.
Using an enormous gold-plated mirror 6.5 meters across and instruments that operate in the infrared spectrum, the Webb telescope seeks to lift the veil on cosmic realms that in the past were too distant or too cold for any previous telescope to detect. Webb is a marvel of human ingenuity, made possible through the dedicated efforts of thousands of scientists and engineers, and the close partnerships between more than a dozen countries.
The politics, of course, are always there, but as a scientist, which, in a sense, try to rise above that and say, what can we achieve together as a common goal scientifically? And that's how we can achieve so much more together, by pooling our resources, pooling our expertise, but always with one goal in mind. Let's do the most challenging things that are possible.
20 seconds into the flight.
The Webb launch was carried out by the private space firm Arianespace, atop an Ariane 5 rocket, specially suited for this particular mission.
Indeed, Ariane 5 has been chosen due to its reliability, its track record, but also its capacity, its performance, the very specific volume we can accommodate under the fairing. So 20 years ago, in the early 2000s, it was decided that Webb will be launched by Ariane 5.
While celebrations are underway following the successful launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, it'll still be a nail-biting 30 days before it reaches its orbit. Now on its way to its orbit at a location known as Lagrange Point 2, some 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, Webb is on course to redefine astronomy and begin to unfold the mysteries of our universe. Manuel Rapalo, Al Jazeera, Kourou, French Guiana.